Is that a good angle?
Yeah. No, it looks good.
Yeah, I gotta go on that side because your black, I mean, your hat is blocking me. New Monday suck hat, by the way. Okay, babe. Let's do this. Hi everyone, it's Janelly here again and welcome back to my channel. I have my fiance here with me again. But as you guys can tell by the title of this video, today we are filming a bedroom slash home decor haul. And we literally got so much stuff, as you guys can see. We're super excited to open everything. And someone over here has been dying to open some stuff. And he already tried to.
Yep. And
I caught him, so today is the day you can actually open them. Anyways, you ready?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Which one are we gonna open first?
This one.
Well, we do kind of remember some things we got, but
it's from
Zola. At the same time I don't remember. Oh yes, also we would like to thank Zola for giving us an opportunity to get some things for our room here. Thank you so much, Zola. Don't oh yeah, you guys.
Yeah, I'll say it.
Look what this is.
I'll say it.
Okay.
Alright guys, look.
Put this down here.
If you allow and everything, it's a Kapiak roller.
It's not just a Kapiak roller. It's just a roller in general. I bought this to protect myself. I'm just kidding, but it's a roller for anyone who bakes. Or you guys know what this is. Yeah, but we're mainly using it for Kapiak. Yeah, so if you guys didn't know, I make this Lao soup, but we just call it chicken soup if you guys don't know what it is. But I use this to roll a dough, and I literally needed one because we've been using like fish sauce bottles instead of a roller.
Yep.
So finally got one. This is how it looks like. Ooh,
sick.
Yeah. It's nice, huh? And it looks good. It's good for protection too.
Damn, chill, bro.
Okay. Let me open this one. What is this one?
I don't know. I don't even know where it's from. You better be careful, dude. That thing is sharp, bro.
I know. Chill out, bro.
Yeah, you're cutting it so close to your skin, my dude.
Okay. What is this?
Oh, okay, I know what it is. So this is a magnetic key holder. You can put it on your doors, your fridge, but we have nothing that's magnetic in my room, so we're probably just gonna hang it since we need it. Oh yeah.
But this is how it looks like.
I'm gonna open it since you have long nails.
Yeah, we can open it.
Here, I'll open it so you don't break your nail.
I wanna open it.
Okay, I don't want you to break your nail.
Okay, open it. I already broke my nail earlier. Whoa.
Wait, what's that?
It's nails. Oh, this is the magnet.
Oh, it's the magnet. But this is how it looks like. You put your keys.
That's cute. We can hang it right near the door.
Stuff.
Let me see. Let's show them how it looks like.
Pretty sweet, eh?
Yeah. So everything that we're showing you guys here, I'll probably try to link some stuff in the description box so you guys can go get it or check it out. This one's cool. Let me put this one back. Hold on. Put that up there.
Yep. I need a key holder because I always lose my keys. That's why I have the tile collar thing, you know, if you lose your keys. Alright.
Wait, let's guess what this is. Which one is this?
I really don't know what that is, to be honest with you. Oh no, I think I know. This is
actually, I think I know what it is.
Thingy, the food holder. Alright, you open it because
it's a food holder or it's our. Oh yeah, I didn't know what this is.
For when you have lunch and stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Oh. So Orsino and I decided, since we're getting married this year, that we're gonna not lose weight, but we're gonna try to eat a little bit healthier, and we need some cute
this is sick
Tubbywares or containers.
Watch, if Nana got a hold of this, this is gonna be full with slime.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do that. This is how it looks like.
Pretty sick. Oh.
Yeah, I have
good grips.
On the go lunch container. Actually, I'm gonna open it to show them how it looks like. First. Oh, that's cool.
Is it glass? Oh,
it's plastic.
Oh, it has 2 different holes. Whoa.
Oh, that's cool. So it has like another
for your fruits and stuff.
Tray. Yeah, probably for fruits and like other snacks. So this could be like a sandwich. On top, you could put like fruits or like
vegetables or celery sticks.
Snacks. That is cool.
All right. I know what this one is.
Ooh, we could even use it for like picnics, babe. So the next thing we got is from Kohl's, and I'm just gonna rip the bag, or should I not?
No, because you're gonna put it somewhere. Phone.
Okay, so we got some
Barrel Wang towels.
Barrel Wang towels. Now they're really and pretty expensive, but Orsino and I love like good towels, so I would spend money on really good towels. We got 2 white ones, and we got 2 gray ones. They're actually really soft, humming.
Yeah.
And they're really big as well. Vera Wang makes some really good towels, let me tell you. Long. The price for each towel is $29.
But if you have coupons, it works very well.
Kohl's coupons is the shit. Yep. So towels for our bathroom. Oh my gosh, super messy. Next thing we got, let's do this other one from Kohl's. This is our comforter. And what brand is this? This brand is called, I can't say that. What does it say?
Cuddle Duds.
Cuddle Duds. Now this comforter is also expensive. It was $139, but my grandma gave us some coupons, so we got it for like $110. It wasn't that bad.
That was cheaper.
But yeah, it's really soft. I heard a lot of people use this brand, so I wanted to try it for Sino and I, since we got a new bed, so we're excited about that. All right, next one.
All right, this is what I've been wanting to open for forever.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I think I've been wanting to open this one too.
All right.
Actually, I'm not sure. Let's see. Wait, show them how big the box is.
The box is this big.
And I think there's like 2 things in there.
Yeah, I think so. All right. If this is what I think it is, this is the only thing that I was super hyped about getting from Zola. We'll show this.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is what I've been waiting for. So I love. Is that the only thing that's in here?
No, there's one more.
Okay, I've been waiting for this and been wanting this forever. It's a toaster, a 4-slice metal toaster. I've been dying for this, but let me open it.
Oh, this thing is super nice.
I know, oh my gosh. I'm in love with like everything stainless steel, especially like kitchen appliances. So when I saw this, you know, I had to get it. Can we take it out so I can show them? Oh my lantern. Oh my god, dude. Look how cute.
Oh, you can defrost this stuff.
So nice.
I can heat up pizza rolls. I mean, not pizza rolls, but the pizzas in the microwavable small pizzas. Whoa, this thing is sick.
That is so nice. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for this. I'm gonna use this until like we move into our own place.
I know, it's nice. Alright, let me show you.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. Oh my god.
Put your makeup on it, La.
I did? Oopsies.
This is what I've been waiting for the longest time.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's why, and that was the day when he tried to.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, that's. But anyways, he's been trying to open this for the longest.
When we first heard about it, when we first got stuff in the mail, I tried to open all of it just so I could see it.
I got so mad. It's just so nice, especially the gray one. I'm gonna show them how it looks like. This is our new baby.
so I can finally not get out of bed to close my light.
Also, I hope it doesn't like laugh at us, because I don't know if you guys have heard like videos on YouTube where Alexa like literally laughs at random times. I'd be so scared if she did that. So the next thing we got are
these throws.
We are in love with throws, let me tell you. Orsino and I can literally sleep with like 10 throws and we'll be in heaven. And they're super comfortable and they're really, really big, and I can't wait to use them. We probably won't use them until like winter.
Yeah, because we kind of have a lot already. Since Jenelly has like 50 billion throws, so we don't want to waste them.
Not just me, us.
Oh yeah, you. Okay.
So the last two things we got are really, really big, and this, I don't know how we're gonna do this. This is one of them.
I lost the cutter thingy.
It's right there. So we're gonna try to open it for you guys so you can see what it is. The room is a mess.
Whoa. Imagine this is just the top part. It doesn't come with legs.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we got a new chair.
These are like the really cool looking chairs too.
And it's really, really nice. I love the bottom part.
The bottom part is super
it's big. Here, I'll hold the top part, you hold the bottom part. So it goes like this. So nice. I love this chair. Alright guys, so the last thing that we got is over here. I'll show them better.
Yeah, really big thing.
It's really, really big, and I'll probably just insert a picture to show you guys. It's a desk that I've been wanting for so long, and I'm super excited. We're gonna put it in our room somewhere, and yeah, so I think that's all we have.
Yep, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Later.
Bye.